Hey guys, this is the GoveeLife Smart Humidifier. So here's what's super convenient that I found for myself is I like to keep it at a certain humidity in the room. That'll give me the option to do that. I'll just set it at a humidity that I like and it'll just keep it there. There's a timer mode which you can set to how many hours it'll continuously run. And this, if you just want it at different levels for continuous run. A really cool oil diffuser tray, which has a pad in here already, and you get two more. It's a top fill design with a large 6-liter tank, so you don't need to keep refilling it every day. On a single fill, it can run for up to 60 hours, which makes it great for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices. It's also really quiet, so you barely notice it running even at night. You can control everything through the Govee app or just Alexa or Google to turn it on and off, which is super convenient. There's an auto mode that adjusts the mist based on the room's humidity. So it keeps things comfortable without you needing to keep checking on it. And if you want, you can add essential oils with the aroma pad for a bit of fragrance. It has a built-in nightlight at the bottom, which makes it look really nice and it gives it a special touch. Overall, it's simple to use, reliable, and does exactly what you want your humidifier to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons and have yourself a great day.